Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Hey, love you all and you love us so. Okay, this video, it's amazing and I want to share our very beautiful, very elegant designs. And this video is all about the crochet scattered dresses designs ideas. Crochet scattered dresses are make seems like we can different kind of more fantastic designs of scattered dresses. Its scattered dresses are basically designs are more different colors, like these colors are black and white, white, red and yellow, 4 color combinations. So we will keep more fantastic videos and different color combinations with the crotches, like I have sweaters, t-shirts, for many topics we are share with you, and it's totally effort for you, like more fantastic designs ideas. Keep watching, stay connected with our channel. Stay will be right now, and you will be absent with different ideas, different videos. I have more fantastic designs ideas, pretty tops inside, and crochet top is up amazing, and poncho designs for different amazing matching dressing, matching designs of colors combination are depending on your choice. This is getting point beach white, okay. So this is something like formal and with you, formal and multiple color. I have better with this scattered dresses. For more fantastic scattered dresses, I have shared with totally designs of different pattern, different styles, for many things. So elegant, it's amazing for our designs. You look be very stunning, you look be very gorgeous. I have shared with totally designs, totally videos, and more absence designs, more absence videos. You look be very prettiest and gorgeous videos. It has a design that black, okay, blue, yellow, and with carry the different things like jeans and short unique pants. It has a small shells, okay. Crochet amazing things, so amazing. You can find a website, or if you want comments in down, I will post their link in channel. This a crop top is fine of things. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for amazing ideas. Thanks for more amazing videos, and take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.